At a drug laboratory in Alberton, east of Johannesburg. 2 suspects have been arrested. For more on the story, we speak to Hawks Spokesperson, Brigadier Hangwani Mulaudzi. Brigadier, good morning to you and welcome to Morning Live. Any details on the drug lab in Alberton?
Good morning. Thank you for having me. Yeah, look, the preliminary report that we have now is that we have arrested 2 suspects. We got a tip-off from members of the community about this drug lab. And as such, the members from the war room in Gauteng, together with our members from the Hawks Organized Crime, went to the location, and as such, we managed to arrest these 2. There were other suspects that managed to get away. But what we are happy about is that we have managed to recover a lot of drugs that were actually ready for packaging. Some of them were ready for distribution as well. So the investigations are still continuing, and we are hoping that more arrests will be made soon.
Now, when will the suspects appear in court?
Well, we have 48 hours. I think it will be the decision of the investigators, but normally it's 48 hours, so we can suspect that they might be going to court on Thursday.
Now, what else was also uncovered by your members?
Well, they're still busy at the crime scene. The good thing about this is that, there's been a lot of successes that we have managed to register, not only in Gauteng, but in other parts of the country, more especially our port of entries, where we have managed to recover, and stop, this drugs coming to the country. Plasma is worth of about 100 to 200 million worth of drugs that have been confiscated. So I think there's a good working relationship, not only from the police, but also from other our stakeholders, your customs, Home Affairs, and this is what we have been yearning for some time. And I think it yields good results in terms of making sure when we move forward, this kind of drugs we are able to nip them before they go out into our communities. And I also want to thank the communities who also fold in. This is what also we have been trying that there is this juncture between ourselves and the communities. So for them to be able to have the courage to call us about this drug lab, it bodes well for us in terms of our relations.
Well, thank you very much. That's the Hawks spokesperson, Brigadier Mulaudzi, talking to us about a drug laboratory that was uncovered in Alberton.